What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, analyze the logical form of the following statements. The first one is A union B is a subset of C difference D, and the second one is A union B is not a subset of C difference D. Okay, now let's start with the first one. What we are going to do is we are going to get rid of the subset, union, and this difference, and we are going to write this one in terms of for all, there exist, and or, those kind of things. Okay, now let's see how we can do that. For the first one, we can replace this subset with implies. Okay, so if we do that, we have to write it like this: for all x belongs to A union B implies x belongs to C difference D. Okay, now the next thing is we can get rid of this implies and replace this one. If we get rid of this implies, that's going to replace with a not in front of, and we will have an or right here, and that's it. Let's go ahead and write that one. Here we are going to have for all x not x belongs to A union B or x belongs to C difference D. Okay, the next thing is we are going to replace this union and difference. If we do that, this is going to become for all x not x belongs to A, and instead of putting union, we can put it like and. Okay, let me get rid of this bracket right here. So we will have and in the middle, and actually that will be or. This will be or and x belongs to B. Okay, and or, and if we replace this difference, is going to become first one belongs to C, the second one not belongs to. So this is going to become x belongs to C and x not belongs to D. Okay, this is the one right now. And then last one is we are going to apply De Morgan's. If we apply De Morgan's, what's going to happen is this is going to become opposite, and we are just going to apply De Morgan's for this one because we don't have any negation right here. So we are going to apply for this one. So this is going to become opposite, and the middle sign will change into and. Okay, so for all x, here we will have x not belongs to A and x not belongs to D. Both are negated and the middle one changed. That's the De Morgan's, and other one remained the same, or x belongs to C and x not belongs to D. Okay, now let's look at the next one. The next one is saying A union B not a subset of C difference D. Okay, so this is, if you look at this one, these two are almost same. Only difference is the middle one is not a subset of. So what we have to do is we just have to negate this one, and that's going to be equivalent to this. So if we negate that, this is going to be negation of for all x belongs to A and x not belongs to B, or x belongs to C and x not belongs to D. Okay, and then we can apply quant negation law. It's going to say there exists x not belongs to A and x not belongs to B, or x belongs to C and x not belongs to D. So let's mention all the things we used before, because otherwise it will be confusing. So here we used definition of union and difference. Okay, union comma difference. Let me put comma. Union, we replaced union comma difference, and for this one we used De Morgan's, and for this one we used quant negation law. Okay, and the next one is we are going to use De Morgan's. Since we have negation, we can do the De Morgan's for that. But let's do the De Morgan's for the whole thing. and then do okay. So if we do the De Morgan for the whole thing, this is going to become there exists an x not belongs to A and x not belongs to B, and this or will change into and not x belongs to C and x not belongs to D. Okay, and we are going to apply De Morgan's again. If we apply De Morgan's, this negation will change, I mean not belongs to become belongs to, and the middle one become or. So this is going to be there exists x belongs to A or x belongs to B, and the middle one doesn't change, and then here we are going to apply De Morgan's again. So this is going to become opposite and the middle sign change. X not belongs to C or x belongs to D. Okay, so now we have written equivalent statement of this one in terms of for all there exists or and. Okay, so here we used De Morgan and here also we used De Morgan. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos on that in my playlist. And also if you are studying other engineering subjects, there are all subjects are there. I hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.